The People Screenshots section on TeamTrace gives you a complete activity log for each user, day by day. Start by selecting a date from the filter above. Then, choose the user you want to track from the dropdown. This pulls up the full activity log for that user across their entire day. Right here, you can view their check-in time, check-out time, active time, idle time, break time, and average activity percentage for the selected day. For this user, screenshots are captured every 5 minutes. You can change this interval anytime from screenshot frequency and productivity settings, which we've already covered. Break time shown here follows the idle timeout policy configured in productivity settings. Once idle timeout is triggered, say after 5 minutes of no activity, the tracker automatically stops on the user's system, and they're marked on break until they resume activity. The filter also includes a time zone selector, useful when managing employees working from different parts of the world. You can further group the work log by hours or work. The hours view, the one shown here, breaks activity into 1-hour spans, displaying exactly what the user did during that hour. Next, use Download to export screenshots for any user. Select the user, choose the work type, and set the from and to dates. A download link is then generated, ready for audit. The live screen feature lets admins and managers view a user's screen in real time during their working hours. Finally, the Add Manual Time option lets you add a time entry for any user. Select the work type, date, start time, and end time, and include a note or attachment if needed. Once submitted, the entry is added directly to the user's TeamTrace profile.